Introducing the Hon&Guan Vent Duct, the perfect solution for your ventilation needs. Made with high-quality materials, including polyester, aluminum foil, and PVC, this flexible air duct is durable, friction-resistant, and resistant to acid corrosion. It features a built-in steel wire helix to maintain its shape and can be bent to fit any space. A maximum length of 5 meters and a nearly universal fit for 100mm interfaces, it's ideal for air conditioning, exhausts, grow tents, and more. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a reliable solution for your ventilation or ducting needs? Check out the Kair duct pipe, a lightweight yet durable 21-inch long PVC plastic duct pipe with a 4-inch inner diameter and a little over 4 inches outer diameter. Its female ends connect easily with male fittings like bends and grills, and you can join multiple pipes seamlessly with a male connector. Use round clips to fix it securely to walls or ceilings. It's simple to cut to the perfect size with a hacksaw. You'll find the link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for an easy way to improve your home ventilation? Check out the Kair duct connector. This 100mm or 4-inch plastic connector features an inline backdraft shutter or gravity damper flap that stops unpleasant smells and keeps cold air out. It's perfect for connecting your tumble dryer, bathroom or kitchen extractor fan or other ventilation systems. Designed to fit inside 100mm round pipe or 102mm flexible hose, it can join multiple sections seamlessly. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile and reliable ducting solution? The HG Power 125mm ducting is perfect for your indoor and outdoor ventilation needs. Made with high-quality materials, including aluminum foil, PVC, PET, and steel wire spiral, it offers excellent sealing and resistance to deformation. Its flexible design allows you to stretch and bend it up to 5 meters, making installation a breeze, suitable for tumble dryers, air conditioners, exhaust fans, and more. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to improve your ventilation setup? The Kair 90-degree duct bend is the perfect solution. Made from durable plastic, this 100mm or 4-inch angled elbow easily fits inside any compatible pipe or hose, providing a reliable and secure connection. Its rigid design ensures better airflow compared to flexible options, making it ideal for tumble dryers, bathroom or kitchen extractor fans, hydroponic systems, and more. Remember, check your fan power for long runs. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking to make your ducting installation easier and more flexible? The Kair duct adapter is the perfect solution. It features a rectangular end measuring 220mm by 90mm that fits over rectangular duct pipes, and a round end of 150mm that fits inside round flexible hoses. This adapter allows you to effortlessly convert between round and rectangular ducting systems, saving space and expanding your options. Compatible with a wide range of Kair plastic outlets and grills. You'll find the purchase link in the description and in the pinned comment. Looking for a versatile solution to improve your workspace? Meet the app Ducting, crafted with durable PVC and a 100mm internal diameter that offers powerful dust and fume extraction. Its 3-meter length, which stretches to double when fully extended, provides adaptable setup options. Lightweight and flexible, it easily bends to fit your needs without collapsing or losing shape. Perfect for woodworking shops, HVAC systems, and industrial environments. You'll find the purchase link, description, and in the pinned comment.